If you have a CCJ but don't keep up with the repayments, your creditors could request a charging order, securing the debt against your home. You can't just check your credit record online to see if there's a charging order against your property. The only way to check is through the land registry. You can contact them by visiting their website. If you have a CCJ, a creditor can apply for a charging order. If the CCJ was issued after October 1st, 2012, the creditor can apply immediately, even if you're keeping up with the repayments. If the CCJ was issued before October 1st, 2012, the creditor can only apply if you were unable to pay the entire debt by the deadline or you missed a repayment instalment. A charging order doesn't necessarily mean you'll lose your property, but if you sell or remortgage, you'll need to use the money to pay the charging order debt. If the creditors apply to the court for an order of sale, they can force the sale of your property. However, they can't get an order of sale if the debt and court costs are under £1,000 or if the debt is protected by the Consumer Credit Act. A charging order remains on your home and the land registry until you clear the debt in full. Once you've repaid the debt, you can apply to remove the charging order. The charging order won't appear on your credit rating, but the CCJ will show and remain in place for 6 years. This will harm your credit score and limit the amount of credit that you can apply for. You can only remove the CCJ record before the 6 years if you clear the debt within 30 days. If you own a home jointly with somebody else but the debt is only in your name, the court can only place a charging order on your share of the property. If the debt is in both names, the charging order is attached to the entire property. One common question that gets asked is, can an IVA stop a charging order? An IVA can't stop a charging order. You'll need to pay it off entirely. An IVA could be used to stop a future charging order, but you still need to pay off the current one. If you're struggling with debt, then there are options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the debt solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so you can find out more and start taking steps towards improving your financial situation.